So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to open our browser. Then we're going to go to google.com. There we go. Come on. Okay. Next we're going to sign into our Google account. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Put in my password. Okay, awesome. Next, I'm going to go up here to these little squares on the right hand side at the top, and I'm going to click on these. These are the list of applications that Google has. So I'm going to go to Google Drive for this particular thing. Next, I'm going to go right here to the My Drive drop-down menu and click on Google Docs. This is then going to take me to a new document that'll be saved to my Google Docs. So now I'm going to you can title the doc what you want to. So for me, I'm just going to put Kate's lab report. Okay. And then next, I'm going to have you guys outline the different titles, the different section headings on the doc. So the first one is question. The second one is hypothesis, materials, procedure, data and results, and lastly our conclusion. Okay, so what you'll do after this is you'll just, push enter, and we'll go up here so we can make bullets, and then that will be how we'll do each section. Except for, okay, this data and results down here. Sometimes your data and results will be bulleted like this, but sometimes it's going to be, you're going to need a table. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a table too right now. So we're going to go up here to insert, and then we're going to click table, and then we're going to, let's say we need to make it 3 wide and 5 down. So then we're going to kind of just drag our mouse across the 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. And then also you can see it says right there 3 by 5. Then we'll go ahead and click on that square, and then boom, then you have a table. Then you'll just label the sections as needed depending on what lab we're doing. But yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you make a lab report.